Hey there, climbing enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your climbing shoes like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned climber or just starting out, keeping your shoes in top condition is crucial. Not only does a clean pair of shoes look great, but it also ensures that your shoes perform at their best and last longer. Dirt and grime can affect the grip and flexibility of your shoes, which can be a game changer when you're on the wall. So let's dive right in and get those shoes looking and performing like new. First off, let's talk about what you'll need. Having the right tools makes the job much easier. You'll need a soft brush. An old toothbrush works perfectly, mild soap or detergent, a clean cloth, and some lukewarm water. These basic items are usually found around the house. Optional but helpful, you can also use baking soda if your shoes have a strong odor. It's a natural deodorizer and can make a big difference. Alright, let's get started with step 1. Remove the laces. This makes it easier to clean and ensures you get into all those nooks and crannies. Removing the laces also prevents them from getting soaked and potentially damaged during the cleaning process. Step 2. Brush off the dirt. Use your soft brush to gently remove any loose dirt or chalk from the exterior and sole of the shoe. Be thorough but gentle so you don't damage the rubber. This step is crucial for removing surface debris. Pay special attention to the rubber areas as these are the parts that make contact with the rock. Step 3. Prepare your cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild soap or detergent with lukewarm water. Make sure the soap is fully dissolved to avoid any residue on your shoes. Avoid using hot water as it can weaken the glue holding your shoes together. Lukewarm water is just right. Step 4. Scrub the shoes. Dip your brush into the soapy water and gently scrub the exterior of your shoes. Focus on removing any stubborn dirt or stains. This step might take a bit of time, but it's worth it. Pay extra attention to high contact areas like the toe box and heel. These areas often accumulate the most dirt. Step 5. Clean the inside of the shoes. Use the damp cloth to wipe down the interior. This helps remove any sweat and bacteria that can cause odors. A clean interior is just as important as a clean exterior. If you're dealing with a strong odor, sprinkle some baking soda inside and let it sit for a few hours before wiping it out. This will help neutralize any unpleasant smells. Step 6. Rinse and dry. Rinse your shoes with lukewarm water to remove any soap residue. Then use a clean cloth to blot the shoes dry. Make sure to remove as much water as possible. Avoid direct sunlight or heat sources, as they can damage the material. Instead, let them air dry in a well-ventilated area. Direct sunlight and heat can cause the materials to degrade and the glue to weaken, so patience is key here. Letting them air dry naturally will ensure they stay in good shape. Pro tip: stuff your shoes with newspaper while they dry. This helps maintain their shape and speeds up the drying process. The newspaper absorbs moisture and helps the shoes retain their form. And there you have it. A full guide to cleaning your climbing shoes. Regular cleaning will keep your shoes gripping like new and smelling fresh. It's a small effort that makes a big difference. Clean shoes not only perform better but also make your climbing experience more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more climbing tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, keep climbing and keep those shoes clean. Music fades out.